Hello dear friends, in this video we're breaking down and checking out the 5 best car polishing machines for beginners on the market right now. I've included options for every type of consumer. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly car polishing machine, we have the product for you. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. Okay, so let's get started. Fifth product on my list, AutoCare 600W Auto Polishing Machine. The AutoCare 3500 RPM electric auto car polishing machine. 6-speed regulation is variable and can be modified to fit a variety of purposes. Grinding is low noise and quiet. Long cable that can be used in a variety of situations. All progress is made without a blind angle thanks to the portable and non-slip handle. This polishing machine is ideal for a variety of domestic tasks, including floor waxing, metal desealing, furniture waxing, and jade polishing. The M14 thread design makes it simple to mount a self-adhesive disc. Fourth product on my list, Baseus 3800 RPM electric wireless polisher. The Baseus wireless electric car polisher machine. Cordless design is convenient for waxing. 45 minutes of long battery life. Long battery life allows users to wax their cars at one go, even if they have a big car. 3800 Rmin, strong power. A powerful motor with stable performance, offers efficient waxing and smooth polishing. Polishing will pad polishing. After waxing evenly with sponge pads, dry the car wax. An anti-shake handle for easier operation. 2 levels of speed, more satisfaction. 3 types of polishing pads. Waffle foam polishing pad waxing used to seal the glaze. Flat foam pad waxing. Used for waxing. Eccentric rotating shaft offers uniform effect. Eccentric rotation avoids polishing one area too much and unsmooth effect. Third product on my list, BATOCA wireless car polishing machine. BATOCA 12-volt wireless DA car polishing machine. Durable and noiseless, the shell is made of high-impact ABS. The inside has a powerful motor, which is made of all copper with anti-interference. Power alert function. Our cordless polisher has a battery status reminder function. There are 3 colored lights, green, yellow, red. It's green when it's fully charged. It turns red when it needs to be recharged. Speed adjustable for 1 to 6 levels, fully adjustable 2500 to 5000 OPM, perfect for waxes, sealants and glazes. Lightweight and portable, this cordless polisher is only 3 pounds weight. Easy for carrying and storage. 5mm random orbit DA ensures a uniform finish, friendly for beginners on all painted surface. 2 batteries and high efficiency, come with 2 batteries 2.0 Ah and a fast charger. The battery with large capacity and small volume. You can charge one battery while running out the other, so you don't have to sweat being out of juice. Second product on my list, AutoCare 6-inch auto polisher tools. AutoCare 700-watt DA 6-inch 21mm orbit dual-action 700-watt car polishing machine. AutoCare 21mm orbit DA polisher improved efficiency guarantees more power and torque on any surface, low noise and low vibration. The high-quality soft grip material makes it comfortable and secure to hold, safety and easy to use. Long power cord 9.8 feet make you easy. Variable speed dial from 1000 to 3800 RPM speed range ensures more flexible compound and trustful final polishing, on-off sliding safety switch. Ideal for car sanding, polishing, waxing, marble, wood, walls, and motorcycles polishing, rust removal and other using of cleaning. The perfect balance of the components makes polishing comfortable and vibrations-free. Soft start guarantees an acceleration ramp to prevent accidental dispersion of product. Anti-spinning feature prevents high-speed rotations, avoiding scratches. First product on my list, SPTA Mini Dual Action Car Polisher. The SPTA Scratches Killer Micro is the paramount tool for your polishing arsenal. Polish every inch of your vehicle to perfection with this lightweight, paint perfection tool. SPTA Cordless Swirl Killer Micro is the perfect tool for tight areas and simplified polishing practice. The Swirl Killer Micro is a mobile and lightweight polisher that weighs over 50% less than a standard polisher. The Nimble 80W battery allows you to achieve up to 1 hour of working time at maximum speed and charges back up to full in no time, while your second battery is already ready to roll. The free spinning, dual-action rotation allows for hologram-free polishing and actively generates heat through its 6,000 RPM power plant. The variable speed controller is out of your way when polishing and switches between 1,000 and 6,000 oscillations per minute on the fly. If a heavier cut is desired or you're wanting to use the carpet drill attachment, the rotary attachment puts all 6,000 OPMs at your fingertips for however you need to use it. The SPTA Cordless Scratches Killer Micro Polisher is a small-sized paint correction tool that has been specially designed to be mobile and lightweight to provide detailing freedom. Matched with a 1-inch backing plate, this machine effectively polishes around your emblems, body lines, and tight areas to perfection.